Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you some of the best free task management software. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. The first software that we are going to talk about today is CLICKUP. It's a project management software designed to provide wall-to-wall solutions for teams to manage all types of work, collaborate on tasks, and streamline multi-step workflows. Just in a few clicks, you can assign tasks and subtasks to anyone in your team. The second you delegate a task, your team members get a notification in their inbox. You can monitor your team members' progress without leaving your desk. In just a glance, you see what they're doing, what tasks they've completed, or who's overloaded with work. With ClickUp, you can customize your columns, arrange your tasks by status, assignee, priority, tags, and due dates. With ClickUp, you can break down your goals into smaller targets that can be used to track units like numbers, currency, task lists, and etc. With ClickUp, all your tasks, goals, projects, teams, chats all share the same space. Trello is the visual tool that empowers your team to manage any type of project, workflow, or task tracking. Add files, checklists, or even automation. Customize it all for how your team works best. Just sign up, create a board, and you're off. It helps bring the power of a visual perspective to your team. Jira is a bug tracking tool that allows software developers to plan, track, and work faster. Jira is a subscription-based project management tool used for tracking as well as managing tasks, projects, and teams. Jira's strength lies in its flexibility to support any type of project. You can use Jira for Scrum, Kanban, or something hybrid like Scrumban. It's compatible with Android and iOS devices, which means that users can stay engaged regardless of where they are, and also desktop. Security levels can be assigned to various team members, so only they are allowed to work on certain tasks, like bug tracking, for example. Also, the permission schemes allow you to make a set of permissions for any project. Components, for example, are usually set in such a way that only project admins can change them. Asana's web and mobile apps help you stay on track, keep projects organized, and hit deadlines. See project progress, track individual tasks, plan sprints, integrate with other tools, and achieve successful launches. Visualize your progress on projects with Asana boards as your team moves tasks from do to done. Asana is the easiest way to manage team projects and your individual tasks. Airtable is an easy-to-use online platform for creating, sharing relational databases. The user interface is simple, colorful, friendly, and allows anyone to spin up a database in minutes. Airtable is a cloud-based project management solution targeting small to mid-sized businesses as well as departments within larger companies. This system focuses primarily on data organization and collaboration. It's a low-code spreadsheet database hybrid solution that allows users to turn their data into powerful applications. Airtable stands out from traditional databases and spreadsheets thanks to its user-friendliness and innovative features like various customizable field options including barcodes and formulas, familiar spreadsheet-like interface, user permission levels, pre-made templates including social media planning, various integrations, and custom views. Notion is a single space where you can think, write, and plan, capture thoughts, manage projects, or even run an entire company, and do it exactly the way you want. Task prioritization and scheduler. Notion uses Kanban boards, task lists, epics, calendars, and sprint organizers for managing project tracking and completing tasks. Notion's team calendar shows ongoing as well as one-off tasks if the viewer has access to those tasks. Basecamp is a software designed for project management and team collaboration, providing features that enable individuals and teams to arrange tasks, exchange files, communicate, and monitor progress. It's the easiest place for everyone in every role to put the stuff, work on the stuff, discuss the stuff, decide on the stuff, and deliver the stuff that makes up every project, not on separate platforms scattered in various places, but all intuitively organized in one centralized place where everyone can work together, no matter if work is in an office or remote. Monday is an award winning work and project management platform that helps teams of all sizes plan, prioritize, manage, and execute their work more effectively. The platform offers solutions for a wide range of use cases such as marketing, sales, operations, IT, HR, and more. It is built for multiple users. The software allows more than one user to edit a list at any time, making it collaboration ready. Excel is a spreadsheet program from Microsoft and a component of its Office product group for business applications. Microsoft Excel enables users to format, organize, and calculate data in a spreadsheet. With a vast program full of formulae, it can add, subtract, multiply, and divide hundreds of numbers all together, and can easily redo it if a value is changed or added. This feature can be used to easily make a company's yearly sales and other spreadsheets. Microsoft Excel is a popular spreadsheet software program for business. It's used for data entry and management, charts and graphs, and project management. You can format, organize, visualize, and calculate data with this tool. Excel has a lot of features to make crunching numbers and analyzing your data quick and easy. So these are some of the best free task management software that you can find in any search engine, and I hope that you enjoy using these software. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see all of you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching.